Activating notifications on Stripe is essential for keeping track of important events related to your account and transactions. Follow these steps to set up notifications easily. Step 1. Log into your Stripe account. Visit the Stripe website and log in using your credentials. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to access notification settings. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings by clicking on your profile icon or the settings gear icon. This will take you to a menu where you can manage your account preferences. Step 3. Access notification settings. In the settings menu, find the section labeled Notifications or Alerts. Click on it to view the available notification options and settings. Step 4. Choose notification preferences. Review the types of notifications available, such as payment confirmations, disputes, or account updates. Select the notifications you want to receive by checking the corresponding boxes. Step 5. Save your changes. After selecting your preferred notifications, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save button at the bottom of the settings page and click it to ensure your preferences are applied. Now you are set up to receive notifications from Stripe, keeping you informed about your account activity. Regularly check your settings to ensure they align with your needs.